Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me Anil, and today I'm going to show you the overview of my project, that is e-medicine store. So let's start here. First try to register a new user. User is registered. Let's try to log in. User is logged in now. You can see here this is our wish list and this is our add to cart. Starting it's an empty. Cart is also empty. Here I here I just uploaded the some sample images of product here. Can user can click on this image. Here user can see the details of the product. Okay, from here he can add to cart that product, but he should be login first. Okay, if you want to add a new product in the cart, then he can from here he can add. If you want to clear the cart, you can clear. From here he can add this product to his wish list, mean in his favorite list, where all the saved product will going to see in your wish list. You can see here your user's favorite product will be saved here. Okay, so let's check. So let's see, user want to buy this or place this order. Okay, so there is two option for paying. First one is card payment and second one is cash and delivery. In card payment, user need to enter the details of the card. Expiry month, expiry year, CVV number, address, confirm. So user has placed an order here. Now he can download this invoice in PDF format. This is the order ID of this order product. You can see here product name and the quantity and the price and the total price. Now after purchasing this product, now cart is empty. Let's make another order. Now let's do with the cash on delivery payment. So here there is separate order ID for separate orders. Okay, and the grand total will be shown here. Now let's log out and log in as admin. So this is the home page of this panel, that is admin panel. Here in this panel, both can log in, that is admin as well as vendor also. So in your home page, it's will show like all products, total products available, and total orders that has been made till now, and successful delivered products will be shown here, and the product which is in pending status will also show here. And here in second, add to cart option is there, where vendor or as well as where vendor as well as admin can add product from here. Okay, and where here vendor as well as admin update their products, but here vendors can't edit the product which is added by the admin, but admin can edit the products which is added by the vendors. So here edit, here you can search the products by name, the company name. Okay, and here in here update status, here you will see all the orders made by the users, and the previous order was made, that is in pending status. If admin want to update the status, then he can search with that date and decide which order set the status as complete. So two orders will be left as pending, that is for today, these two products. Okay, so this is how it works. Let's see the manage role. Here it can, admin can manage the roles of the users. He decides to whom give what roles, like a normal user, like admin can give a normal user as a vendor role, like this. You can see here, let's suppose now let's suppose here this user is registered now. I have shown you. So let's try to add it and make this user as vendor. Let's try log out, log in it again as vendor. So now here this login will be as vendor login. Can see here, can it welcome vendor. Okay, this is our home page. Okay, and here vendor can add the product as well as he can update the product also, but here which product will going to reflect the product that has been added by him. So let's try to add a product here. So the product has been added here. Can see here admin here vendor can update the details of his product, as well as this product is been visible to the admin also, which he can update his product also. Okay, user can see all the product here without login, as well as he can see the details of the product without login, can search product based on the product names and the company name, product's company name. I know this is not the product, it's just for testing. So that is your, and I have used the Bootstrap in this project. I hope you like this project. If you want to purchase this project, you can contact me on my Telegram group. Link will be given in the description. You can join from there. Thank you for watching.